Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Govee Floor Lamp 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Govee Floor Lamp 2 and it does need to be updated. Maybe it's not matching correctly. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your Govee Home app. Next, click onto your floor lamp 2. Afterwards, click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Then, scroll down and then where it says firmware version, you should see a red dot. If you don't see a red dot or if it's not clickable, that means your Govee Floor Lamp 2 is already up to date. But click on the firmware version, then click on upgrade, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your Govee Floor Lamp 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.